Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome to our February new products video. Our first new product is this tire rack catch latch. This fits the 1980 and 1989 Ford Bronco with a rear outside tire rack. It's bolted, the tire rack is bolted to the right quarter panel. This is the piece that bolts to your tailgate. So when you shut your tire rack, it latches it on. Again, it's not available. We had this reproduced. This is the prototype. Heavy duty steel, made here in the United States. They're going to be galvanized dips, so it'll have a nice finish to it, so you can just bolt it right on the truck. Again, the tire rack catch latch for the 80 to 89 Ford Bronco. And our next new part is this replacement hub. This is a drum brake hub. This fits the 66 to 75 Ford Bronco and the 65 to 75 F-Series light duty four-wheel drive drums on the front. Heavy duty replacement. It's made out of billet steel here. Really nice piece. It's all ready to go. Got the races installed, front and rear. Give you the wheel studs with it. So all you have to do basically is push the studs through, pop your drum on, put the bearings in, bolt it on. Again, replacement drum hub fits the 66 to 75 Ford Bronco and the 65 to 75 F-Series half-ton four-wheel drive pickup. And our next new product is a keyless entry system for the early Ford pickup and Bronco. Keyless entry out of Wisconsin. He's come up with a kit for this. We have three different kits. We have a 67 to 72 pickup, 73 to 79, 89 Bronco, and then we have the early Bronco 66 to 77 kits. Three different ones. Kits are basically the same. Come with this heavy duty actuator with the mounting bracket. Everything comes with instructions. It's pretty easy to do. Gives you two of these. You mount those in your truck. Gives you the wire harness. You run the wiring. And it has this nice modular unit you mount in your truck, and it gives you two key fobs. So a couple hours work. If you got an early Bronco or an early Ford pickup, and you want to go keyless entry, jump into the 21st century, this is the way to go. And for our February web truck of the month, we have Tom O'Brien's 1991 Eddie Bauer Bronco. It's a father-son project. You'll enjoy the video. Again, thank you for your support, and hope to see you again next month.
It's a 91 Eddie Bauer, and it was in non-running, but this is the body, the way it came when we picked it up. The interior is straight from 1991, didn't have to touch it either, but need complete driveline rebuild, engine, transmission, transfer case, rear end, front end, just all the mechanicals to get it running. And it's got the 302 with the E4OD transmission on it. It's just for driving around, showing off, cruising to Grand Haven. We're from West Michigan, so drop a top, go to Grand Haven and cruise on the beach. It's a great thing to do. I was just talking to some folks here, and we're looking to get a Rampage soft topper for it. We really want to do that, get that taken care of so that we can feel more comfortable going out and about. And
a little more fun in the sun.
A little more fun in the sun without worrying about rain. It's just about perfect mechanically, and we don't really want to do any lift on it or anything. The guy we bought it from, he bought it new, and this was his summer baby. And so he sold it to my youngest boy. This truck belongs to my 16-year-old, and he made him promise that he wouldn't jack it up and he wouldn't go driving it around in the dunes and stuff, that he'd treat it as, you know, a special toy. And so he's been sticking to that and just been building it and working it.
So it's an original Michigan truck.
Yeah, original Michigan truck, and never driven in winters, only in summers, and you know, the proverbial little old lady.
Right.
Never drove it anywhere but on Sundays pretty much. Yep. 90,000 miles when we picked it up, but it had been sitting for 15 years, so you can imagine the condition of the oil leak that came from underneath that 302.
Sure.
It's just been a wonderful project to teach my youngest boy about cars and get him passionate about it and get him to really love them.